Turducken is a dish consisting of a deboned chicken stuffed into a deboned duck, further stuffed into a deboned turkey. Outside of the United States and Canada, it is known as a three-bird roast. Gooducken is a traditional English variant, replacing turkey with goose. The word turducken is a portmanteau of turkey, duck, and chicken. The dish is a form of engastration, which is a recipe method in which one animal is stuffed inside the gastric passage of another, twofold in this instance. The thoracic cavity of the chicken game hen and the rest of the gaps are stuffed, sometimes with a highly seasoned breadcrumb mixture or sausage meat, although some versions have a different stuffing for each bird. The result is a fairly solid layered poultry dish, suitable for cooking by braising, roasting, grilling, or barbecuing. The turducken was popularized in America by John Madden, who evangelized about the unusual dish during NFL Thanksgiving Day games and, later, Monday Night Football broadcasts. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.